Namaste students. I believe that you all are enjoying the best of your health at your places. So now let's continue with exercise 8.1, question number 7. Question number 7 is, if cot theta is 7 by 8, then evaluate 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta, divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now, as given to us is cos theta, that is cot theta, that is 7 by 8. So, we'll be drawing a triangle, right angle triangle A, B, C. And I'll mark theta over here and 90-degree angle here. Cot theta क्या होता है? Base upon perpendicular. So, base here is AB and perpendicular is BC. That means AB is 7x, let as we have separated the ratio, and BC is 8x, 7x and 8x. Now we have to find AC. So by applying Pythagoras Theorem in right triangle ABC, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. That is equals to 7x whole square plus 8x whole square. 49x square plus 64x square, and we'll get 113x square. So AC will come out to be root 113x square and we'll get root 113x. So we have calculated the third side of the triangle. अब जब third side हमें पता चल चुकी है, now the demand of the question is कि we have to find sin theta as well as cos theta. So sin theta क्या होता है? Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse we have calculated, that is root 113x. So sin theta will be perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So BC is 8x and AC is root 113x. X and x will get cancelled and value of sin theta is 8 by root 113. Then coming to cos theta. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse and base is AB and hypotenuse is AC. 7x by root 113x, and x will get cancelled. So it is 7 by root 113. We have calculated both the values. Now we will be substituting these values in the question. And the question is 1 plus, as you can see, 1 plus sine theta. So I'll substitute value of sine theta, which is 8 by root 113. And next is 1 minus sine theta. So 1 minus 8 by root 113. Then divided by 1 plus cos theta, that is 1 plus 7 by root 113 and 1 minus 7 by root 113. We know the identity that a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So we will be applying that identity, a square minus b square divided by a square minus b square, and we'll get 1 square is 1, 8 square 64, root 113 square will be 113 and 1 minus 49 by 113. On taking LCM, जब हम LCM लेंगे तो we will get 113 minus 64 by 113 and 113 minus 49 by 113, which in turn will give 49 by 113 and 64 by 113, which is equals to 49 by 113 into 113 by 64. 113 and 113 will get cancelled और आंसर हमारे पास आ जाएगा 49 by 64. This is with the first part. Now coming to second part. Second part में उन्होंने पूछा है कि find the value of cot square theta. It is very simple, as value of cot theta is already given to us, which is 7 by 8. So cot square theta means we will just square this value, which will come out to be 49 by 64. This is with the question number 7, and I guess it is clear to you. Now moving on to question number 8. Question number 8 is, if 3 cot A, question number 8 is, if 3 cot A is 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A equals to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So we have to check So given to us is 3 cot A, that is 4. 3 cot A 4 means cot A is equals to 4 by 3. And we have done the similar question, that is question number 4. 15 cot A is equals to 8. Now cot A is given 4 by 3. That means two sides of the triangle are given to us. So if I draw the triangle A, B, C, and angle here is at A. So cot A is base by perpendicular. That means base is 4x and perpendicular is 3x. So by Pythagoras theorem we can find the third side. Now what is the demand of the question? They are saying check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equals to cos square A minus sine square A or not. We are to check it. So what is the demand of the question? We are to find tan A, cos A and sine A. So starting with the solution, tan A is basically the reciprocal of cot A, or we can write it as 1 by cot A. So cot A is given 4 by 3. It is 1 by 4 by 3, which is equals to 3 by 4. You can simply reciprocate it. Cot A is 4 by 3, so tan A will be 3 by 4. So we have calculated tan A. Now the next thing is we have to find cos A. For cos A and sine A, we need hypotenuse. So to find hypotenuse, we will be applying Pythagoras theorem. So in right triangle ABC, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equals to 4x whole square and 3x whole square. That is 16x square plus 9x square, which is equals to 25x square. So AC is equals to root 25x square, that is equals to 5x. That means hypotenuse is 5x. Now sine A is equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular here is 3x, or firstly we'll write BC by AC, that is 3x by 5x. On cancelling x, we'll get 3 by 5. And next is cos A. Cos A is base by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. AB is 4x and AC is 5x. So we'll get 4 by 5. So we are done with all the values. Now we will be substituting the values. Left hand side, 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. That is equals to 1 minus tan A as we have calculated, that is 3 by 4. But यहाँ पर हमें दिया है square, so we will square it. Then 1 plus 3 by 4 square. On solving it, we will get 1 minus 9 by 16 and 1 plus 9 by 16. Then we will take LCM. On taking LCM, it will be 16 minus 9 by 16, 16 plus 9 by 16. That is equals to 7 by 16 and 25 by 16, which is equals to 7 by 16, 16 by 25, and 16 will get cancelled. Left hand side will come out to be 7 by 25. After that, RHS. RHS is cos square A minus sine square A. So cos A, as we have already calculated, that is 4 by 5, and sine A is 3 by 5. So we will substitute the value. 4 by 5 whole square minus 3 by 5 whole square. 16 by 25, 9 by 25. That is 7 by 25. So LHS is equals to RHS, which means that this side is equals to this side. So with this our question is solved. Coming to question number 9, that is, in a triangle ABC, right angled at B. Now a triangle is given ABC, which is right angled at B. And after that, if tan A is given 1 by root 3, then find the value of sine A cos C plus cos A sin C. Now tan A is given and we have to find all these values. Again, very simple question. As meaning of tan is perpendicular by base, angle is at A, so perpendicular is BC and base is AB. So perpendicular is 1x and base is root 3x. We'll write let BC is equals to x or 1x are the same thing, and AB is equals to root 3x. And as we have to find sine and cos, so we will be applying Pythagoras theorem. In right triangle ABC, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now AB square जो है वो हमें दिया है root 3x whole square and BC is given 1x. So root 3 का square होगा 3 and x का square x square and x square. So we'll get here 4x square. AC will be root 4x square, which in turn will give 2x. So with this we have calculated hypotenuse, that is 2x. Now we have to find sine A, cos C, cos A and sine C. We will write all these things: sine A, cos C, cos A and sine C. As sine is perpendicular by base, so perpendicular, I'll draw a figure again here, A, B and C, and 1x, root 3x and 2x. Now when angle is at A, then this is acting as perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. So we'll simply write 1x by 2x and we'll get 1 by 2. Now we have to find cos C, लेकिन अभी हम cos C को नहीं find करेंगे. We'll come to cos A. Cos A is base by hypotenuse, that is root 3x by 2x. So it will come out to be root 3 by 2. अब हम C पे फोकस करेंगे बिकॉज हमारा एंगल जो है वो A से शिफ्ट होकर C पर आ गया है. जब एंगल C पर आ गया तो नाउ दिस थिंग BC will act as base and AB will act as perpendicular. Cos C is base by hypotenuse, so it will be BC by AC 1x by 2x. So it will come out to be 1 by 2. And next is sine C, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse, AB by AC, root 3x by 2x, that is root 3 by 2. So we have calculated all the values. अब हम इन values को अपने question में substitute करेंगे. Cos A, sin C. Now sin A is 1 by 2, cos C is 1 by 2, cos A is root 3 by 2 and sin C is root 3 by 2. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 and 2 into 2 is 4. Next, it's 4 by 4, which is equals to 1. Now the second part of this question is similar to the first one, that is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C, and this you give it a try and I'm sure that you will be able to do it yourself. Moving on to question number 10. Question number 10 is, in triangle PQR right angled at Q. Triangle given है PQR which is right angled at Q. Given to us is PR plus QR 25 centimeters and PQ is 5 centimeters. और हमें फाइंड क्या करना है, sin P, cos P and tan P. Again a very simple question. So how to solve it? Given to us is PQ plus QR is equals to 25. अब टू साइड्स का सम हमें दे रखा है, सो हम उनमें से किसी एक साइड को x एज्यूम कर लेंगे. लेट QR is equals to x centimeters. Okay, then as PR plus QR is equal to 25, अगर उसमें से एक चीज़ को मैंने x एज्यूम कर लिया तो दूसरी चीज़ क्या होगी हमारे पास, PR will be 25 minus x. So इसको x ले लेते हैं और इसको 25 minus x. And PQ given to us is 5 centimeters. अब हमें पता क्या करना है, sin P, cos P and tan P. और इन सब चीज़ों को पता करने के लिए हमें all three sides पता होनी चाहिए. So before finding these trigonometric ratios, सबसे पहले हम क्या फाइंड करेंगे, तीनों sides, और जो किससे फाइंड आउट होंगी, Pythagoras theorem. So in right triangle PQR. PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. PR is 25 minus X whole square. PQ is 5 and QR is X. So A minus B whole square will be A square plus B square minus 2AB is equals to 25 plus X square. Cancelling X square on both sides, will get 625 minus 50x is equals to 25. So minus 50x is equals to 25 minus 625, and we'll get minus 600 minus 50x. Cancelling negative sign, x will be 600 by 50 and 60 by 5 is 12. So x is equals to 12, which implies that हमने x किसको assume किया था? QR को. So QR is equals to 12 centimeters and PR is equals to 25 minus 12, which is, so PR is 13 centimeters and PQ is already given to us, that is 5 centimeters. Now we were supposed to find sine P, cos P and tan P. Sine P is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so it is QR by PR. Cos P is base upon hypotenuse, that is PQ by PR, and tan P is perpendicular by base, that is QR by PQ. Now QR is 12 and PR is 13, PQ is 5 and PR is 13, QR is 12 and PQ is 5. So with this our question is solved, and with this our exercise is done. Thank you so much.